hope you all are fine. Every problem has a solution. So here we will learn different problems with their solutions. So let's start our first chapter, numbers up to 10,000. In this chapter we are going to learn things are building numbers up to 10,000, knowing place value, comparing and ordering numbers, identifying even and odd numbers. So let's start our first topic, that is building numbers up to 10,000. Let us now understand how to build and read numbers after 1000. There are 4 places in a 4-digit number. In previous grade you have learned that there are 3 places in a 3-digit number. Now whenever we write 4-digit number, so there will be 4 places. So first place will be of thousands. Here you can see one red cube of thousands and we denote thousands as TH. Then next you can see blue block and that is of hundreds and we denote hundreds as H. Then you can see one column of green color that is of tens and we denote tens as T. And the last one you can see a yellow small unit that is of ones. We denote ones as O. Let us take some examples related to this. On the left hand side you can see at the place of thousands there is one red cube, 3 blue blocks at hundreds, 4 green columns at the place of tens and 6 small units at the place of ones. So you will write the digits like 1 at thousands place, 3 at hundreds place, 4 at tens place and 6 at ones place. Now how you will read this number? You will read as 1346. Let us take another example. On the left hand side you can see at the place of thousands there are 4 red cubes, 4 blue blocks at the place of hundreds, but nothing is there at the place of tens. And at the place of ones you can see there are 9 small units. So how you will write these numbers? At the place of thousand you will write 4, at the place of hundreds you will write 4, but at the place of tens you will write 0 because there is nothing in the column of tens. That's why we will write 0. And there are 9 units at the place of ones, so we will write 9 at ones place. Now how you will read this number? You will read as 4409. Let us come to another topic, that is place value. Now what is the meaning of place value? The place value of a digit in a number is the value it holds being in that place. Means the number is at which place, that is known as the value of that digit. Now here you can see on the left hand side there is one abacus, and in abacus at the place of thousands you can see 4 beads are there of purple color. So when you will write the place value of thousands you will write 4000. At the place of hundreds you can see there are 7 beads of pink color. So the place value of that will be 700. At the place of tens you can see 3 beads of blue color. So the place value of that will be 30. And at the place of ones you can see there is only 1 bead of green color. So the number will be 1. Place value will be 1. And how you will read that number? 4731. Let us come to the new topic, that is face value. Face value, the value of a digit is the digit itself. We will not put any zeros or we will not give any value like place value. Here face value is that the number itself will be its face, mirror image. So at the place of thousands you can see 4 beads of purple color. So the place value of 1000 will be 4. At the place of hundreds you can see 7 beads. So face value of hundreds will be 7. At the place of tens you can see 3 beads. So the face value will be 3. And at the place of ones you can see only 1 unit. So the face value will be 1. Come to the next topic, that is expanded form. A number can be represented in standard form, expanded form and word form. What is standard form? The number itself which is written, it is known as standard form. Expanded form means you will write the place value of each and every digit with the addition of one addition sign in between the numbers. And the last one is word form, means you have to write the number name of the standard form. Let's go. 6783. Here standard, it is the standard form. Now expanded form, 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 3. Word form, you will write in words 6783. Comparing numbers. You have to compare here numbers. We compare two numbers to see which is bigger or smaller. So here will be less than, more than or equal to. Let us take some examples. So here is the first example. Let us compare 5236 and 796. Here you can see the one number is of 4 digits and the another number is of 3 digits. So obviously we can say that 4 digit is bigger than 3 digits. So 5236 is bigger than 796. So the crocodile will open the mouth to eat the bigger number. Next, let us compare 3295 and 3261. Here both the numbers are of 4 digits, and here you can see first digit of thousands both have same, second digit of hundreds both are same. Now you can see the third digit, that is at the place of tens, and one number there is 9 and at the right hand side there is 6. So which one is bigger, 9 or 6? Yes, 9. So here we can say that 3295 is bigger than 3261. So crocodile will eat which number? It will open the mouth to which number? Bigger number. Yes. Ordering numbers. When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest, it is known as ascending order. From small number to the biggest number, you have to go, and that is known as you have to arrange these numbers from smallest to the biggest, that is known as ascending order. You can see an example. When we arrange numbers from the biggest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Means you have to come down from the staircase, from the biggest number to the smallest number. Now let's move on to a new topic, that is identifying even and odd numbers. When object in a collection can be paired, the number is called even. When you can pair the objects, when you are collecting it, then it is an even. At the place of ones, whenever you find 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that number will be even number. When objects in a collection cannot be paired, the number is called odd. And the numbers which you will find at the place of ones are 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That number will be odd number. Let us take some examples. 1471. At the place of ones, you can see there is 1 and 1 is odd. So that number will be odd number. 8004. At the place of ones, you can see there is 4 and 4 is even. So that number will be even number. At the place of ones in last number, it is 3. So that number will be odd. Thank you students. I hope you enjoyed the video.